So enabling drone as first responder, the Durham Police Department here in Whitby is utilizing the DJI Mavic 3 TD. This system allows you to be able to pilot this aircraft from down inside the police department, and these can be placed virtually anywhere within the region. Utilizing the DJI Mavic 3 TD, it also has long-range zoom capabilities with a high-resolution thermal. This is a huge game changer in terms of being able to enable the police department to find any of the suspects or find any of the missing people for whatever major incident that they're responding to. Utilizing drone as first responder, you also have to be able to detect and avoid crewed aviation for any type of deconfliction and make sure that the airspace is safe. And to enable that, they're utilizing the Cassia G system as well. This can find what's called compliant and non-compliant aircraft anywhere in the airspace. So if they're using ADS-B or if they're not using ADS-B, this system can find it to really ensure the safety of the airspace system around. Last but not least, they're also utilizing the DFIN system here as well. This allows them to be able to detect any type of drone systems that are flying around by using RF analytics. That way they can make sure that they are deconflicting with anything in the airspace to ensure safe operations.